I thought I had that one.
Dude, yeah. Oh yeah, I was racing.
We gonna get it. I'm not giving up. How close do you think I am?
Like, I want to say you're like maybe a foot, if not less. Maybe a foot.
How close? How close?
What?
How close?
Bro, you are hella close, bro. You almost hit this
Bro, you're
kid.
hitting that shit, man.
Almost hit the kid?
You almost hit this
Right on
kid.
it.
Thank you. Don't hang on the wall.
Oh shit. I'm like, bro, you need to back up, bro. But bro,
Yeah.
you were close. I got some better angles too from over
Okay.
there. Yeah.
Cool. All right, homie. I got someone else that wants to get in.
Hello.
Have you been in the car yet?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool.
Not yours. I've been watching. I'm so excited.
Awesome. Yep. Get the helmet on and we can rock. I gave you that 360. Huh?
You guys snagged the band.
I'm trying.
You got literally this.
Really?
Yeah, you
God.
got so close.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Dude, you were getting so close. I admire that you're going to do it
My car is so hot. I can't.
That was so good.
Let's go!
They could have been more hyped.
Yeah. I tapped both barriers. I heard it go clink,
Yeah,
clink.
me too.
Woo!
I got it on record. I did like a
Yeah?
drive behind.
Oh my gosh.
I hope so.
I hope so
send it to you,
too. Trying to cool my car down.
Okay.
That was so sick.
So good.
That's a tire. My son's calling me. Hi, buddy. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I love you. Yeah, no problem. I hope you had fun. Love you, buddy. I just tapped the wall. Woo!
What's up, Billy?
Hey, look. All right, I love you. I'll try to call you later, okay? All right, bye. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
My friend, he'll take me 20 bucks to take him too.
All right.
Or if he won't, I will. That's big. I'll give you another 20.
You gotta let my car cool down.
Okay. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah, bud. Are you gonna tap it with the buffer?
I'd try, but it doesn't happen every time.
Yeah.
Sir, putting on a show tonight.
Let's go, baby. Oh, this is regular seatbelt?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah. They told me not to do that. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Okay. Oopsies. Uh-oh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. That one wasn't a good one. Check the damage.
I think you might have got that on video. Yeah, you got it on video.
Oh, went a little too deep. I was cooking.
Dude, mad respect. You have been so consistent with it though.
Thank you.
Like, I've thought you were gonna hit that wall all night.
You did a good job, though.
Hey, I lost a bumper?
That's yours, man.
Yeah. All right.
Some good welds, bro.
If you keep getting close to the wall, then eventually you're gonna crash.
Yep, I know. I was pushing it too hard, huh? Yep. That's exactly what happened. You're smart.
Killer, dude.
Yeah, I love it. Take her home and rebuild it again.
We'll put that right back on there.
Yeah. I just got those taillights too. Yeah.
You just got rid of them.
Yep.
Mount them on the wall. Here you go. You paid for that.
Thank you, sir.
And then they took your bumper back.
Oh, it's still hanging.
Or your exhaust, sorry.
Oh, my exhaust come off?
Your exhaust come off.
That's awesome.
Yeah, they took that back.
Okay, cool. Woo!
All good.
Can't see through all the smoke. It definitely is way off.
Yeah.
Yeah. My car hates me.
Still feels smooth as though.
I can tell. The back end is not where it's supposed to be.
best one so far.
Thank you.
Oh, there she goes. There it is.
Sorry, I went off the track at the wrong place.
Is that your tire gun?
Yeah. And I still hit the corner.
Yeah. Dude, that was fucking sick. Thank you.
No problem. Hope it was worth the wait, buddy.
Oh, it definitely was. You guys gonna be out here next month?
I
so
don't
good.
know yet. You're not allowed out. Yes, sir.